360-degree reality. Sunset beach, I don't need HGTV.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
So today I'm going to be doing a Bantu knot out on my natural hair. I started out with washing my hair with the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. Then I sprayed in the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner, and that works as a heat protectant also. So now I'm just going to blow dry my hair out. I like to do my Bantu knots and twist out some different things with my hair stretched. I just get a better result that way. So now I'm going to let you guys watch me blow dry my hair out. It is definitely a process, so I sped this part of the video up. After blow drying with the heat, now I'm going to blow dry with the cool air to give the hair a nice shine and to close the cuticles. Right here I'm getting ready to section off the back part of my hair. The sections doesn't have to be neat as long as it's like a medium to large size. I like to do medium to large because I like my hair to be big and fluffy and not so defined when I do the Bantu knots. Right here I'm showing you guys that the part doesn't have to be neat once again, and I'm just going to take a section of it and I'm getting ready to show you how to do the Bantu knot. But before, I take the Cream of Nature hydration cream and I apply very little because I don't want my hair to revert back to curly. So I'm going to apply that and comb it through, and then I'm going to twist my hair as if I was twisting it for a dread. Now I'm going to take the twist and I'm going to wrap it around. You want to make sure that the twist is not too tight to the scalp because you will have a headache and you will have trouble sleeping. So just do it loosely because the more you twist, the tighter it gets. So you just want to wrap it around and make sure you tuck the ends so you won't have frizzy ends. And you can also secure it with a rubber band or a bobby pin. And y'all don't talk about my BBs back there now. Right here I'm going to repeat those same steps, applying the curling cream, combing it through, twisting the hair, wrapping it around, making sure it's not too tight to the scalp. And this right here is how the first row is looking. Right here, you're going to twist the hair, and then you're going to pinch a section of it to hold it so you make sure it's not tight to the scalp. And then you're going to just roll it and wrap it around until you have no more hair. And then you're going to make sure you tuck those in because we don't want no frizzy ends. Now I'm going to explain it one more time so you guys can get it. But you're going to twist the hair all the way down. Then you're going to take it and pinch it. And then twirl it around my finger. And I'm going to wrap it around until I have no more hair left. And I'm twisting in the same direction as I'm twirling the hair. In this video, I only use the Cream of Nature curling cream and a little bit of the oil. You can use more product, but the more product you use, the heavier the hair will be. And if you want it to last a little bit longer, that would be better. But I just wanted it really light and fluffy for this video. Right here, I'm applying this 24-hour edge tamer, edge control to my edges just to get a smooth, sleek look. Okay, finally, y'all, I was struggling with this part, but once you take the rubber band off, then you're going to follow the direction of the hair and unravel it. And I go around and do this all at once. Now I'm taking the argan oil and I'm rubbing it through my fingers and my hands and rubbing the remainder on the hair to separate it, to get it not to be so frizzy. But I don't mind frizz because I like the big hair. I like the way that it looks. And I just separate it and I twirl it around my finger, and it defines the curl from pulling it apart. And if it's not defining one way, twist it the opposite way, because sometimes it gets a little tricky. I'm just fluffing the hair, separating some of the curls just to get it big and fluffy. And I'm kind of like finger raking it, not all the way through, just at the roots, and just to get it how I like it.
Bye guys, thank you for watching, and give us a big thumbs up. I hope you like it.
In the sun.
You see